Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. It's my gorgeous bag, and this is it. Inside is and covered with this vinyl. And let's go inside. As you can see, here's top. It's flexible. Here it's adjustable. If you just move it and it's turned on and off, it's showing. And it is stuck like this. This plastic, I'm not sure it's resistant on the very heavy tension or not, but the maximum size of this one, it's fit me. For me, my wrist size is 120 centimeters. Yes, it will not work for full size more than 120 centimeters. Quality, it seems to be good and gorgeous and shiny. Totally I like it, but I will update you if I see its resistance in the tension or not. But this is plastic, definitely it will not resistant like traditional, but it's a good mode. It's like this, and the last shape. This one, let me show you quickly. The last shape comes like this one. Thank you for watching.